everyone, hope you're all doing well. Today it is the hottest day so far this year in the UK, so if I am looking a little bit sweaty slash glowing, then please know that that is why. Today I'm going to be transforming these locks and dyeing my hair red slash ginger today. I thought, why not choose the hottest day of the year to dye my hair red? So if you would like to see me transform my hair, then please keep watching. For today's look, I'm going to be using the Shrine Drop It drops in red, and I'm super excited to use this as I have used their pink before. If you have watched any of my previous hair dyeing videos, these are super reliable, super kind on the hair, and I absolutely love the pigment. I'm going to be using a few of these drops with some conditioner in a bowl to create my desired colour. Also, just to add, these are semi-permanent, so my hair won't stay like this, but it's just nice to vamp up the look and try something new. So let's mix this up and make up our colour. Just in case any of you want to know, I'm going to be using the We Are Paradox conditioner. This is their detox and hydrating conditioner, one of my fave conditioners ever. Super kind on the hair, and this kind of acts as like a really nice hair mask for my hair as well and helps to repair it and hydrate it, so hence why I'm going to be using it today. On the Shrine Drop It bowls, they do have a measurement line which shows you how much conditioner you need to add. So I'm just gonna pour that in now and make the little hair dyeing potion. I have just measured out the conditioner in the bowl. It always seems quite a lot, but remember, you are covering your whole head with hair, so you do need quite a bit to evenly transfer all the colour. And now to add the red drops. I am so excited. So you can count how many drops you want to add in depending on what kind of shade of the colour you want, but today I am literally just going to be winging it, so don't follow what I do. The colour is all mixed up. I will give you a little sneaky peeky. This is the colour that we're going for. It's basically the same shade as the bowl, so this is the reference, but I am just going to section my hair off and just start beginning with the bottom section of my hair and trying to cover it as evenly as possible. I do recommend giving your hair a nice good brush before, because it can get a little tricky and a little knotty, so give it a good brush beforehand. I'm now going to be taking my clip and just sectioning half and half and just clip that up, and then we can start dyeing our hair. I'm also not wearing gloves, but I would recommend probably getting some gloves if you can. I'm also going to try get it on my roots as much as possible. Although they are quite dark, I still kind of want them to have a nice reddy undertone. I'm hoping this is going to look really nice. The vision in my head I have looks really nice, but you just never know. Sometimes my imagination is far greater than the reality, but we shall see. I have just finished the bottom layer and my nails are red and my hair is pink. So it's going good so far, but I am going to start on the top section and just pray. Just went straight in for the roots. I don't know whether that was a good or a bad decision, but we are here now. Okay, I am nearly finished covering my whole head of hair. You never know how much hair you have until you try and dye it at home. Let me tell you that, because I feel like I've been doing this motion for about 20 minutes and my arms ache. I have nearly finished all the colour in the pot. If you do have longer hair than mine, then just take into consideration that I have finished the whole pot on my hair, so you may need to do 2 pots, but it's really dependent on how thick your hair is, how long it is, and that kind of stuff, so just take that into consideration. We are nearly done and I'm so excited. I really hope I'm gonna look really cool with this. because if I don't, it's going to be very upsetting. So on camera it looks gorgeous and red, and then in person it looks hot pink. So I don't know how it's going to turn out, but we shall see. So I'm just going to use my comb and brush through any leftover product just so we can get the colour distributed as evenly as possible, and then we leave it for 10 minutes and then we rinse, and then we'll see. I've got it on my face, I didn't even realise. That's good. So it's nearly been 10 minutes, so I'm getting ready to rinse my hair off. Elliot is going to come in and help me rinse this hair, but all you need to do is just rinse the colour off, just some lukewarm water, and it will all rinse off. So it's looking. Ooh. The red is all rinsed off now, and I'm going to go dry my hair. And this is the finished result. What do we all think? I must say I absolutely love it. It has given such a nice new vibrancy to my hair. In the camera it definitely looks more red / orangey than in real life. It looks a bit more pinky, but I'll take it. I think it looks cute either way. But yeah, let me know what you think down in the comments of my new hair. But I do hope you enjoyed watching me dye my hair red and you liked the end result like I do. A big thank you to Shrine for sending me the red drops to create this gorgeous look. If you would like to see more hair videos from me in the future, then please make sure to comment down below what you would like to see next. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit that post notification bell, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up too. But until next time guys, I do hope you enjoyed watching me transform my hair, and I will see you all very soon in the next video. Bye guys!